Welcome to Salty Mechanics. This is live on the docks here in Norway. Remember, if you like what you see, hit the like button and subscribe if you will. And if you want to take this relationship to the next level right away, you can hit the notification bell as well, just so you don't miss a thing. So I'm beat right now. I just want to go home and relax. Yes, I know it's a strange place to start an episode, but I just needed to get going again. You know, it's been a couple of weeks and I just thought, okay, I'm gonna pick up the camera and start filming, even though I'm on my way home. So why don't we pick this up again tomorrow morning at my apartment? See you there. All right. So let's see what's going on here. They are basically building a new city within Oslo here.
I don't even know what we're going to do today, so let me get inside and we'll find out. Well, we got our first task for today. We're on a 456 here. First thing we're going to do, we can do it real quick.
Well, I gotta go work. I can't sit here and just watch other people do it. Let's go. So now I'm in Aker Brygge. It's a very nice harbor at the heart of Oslo, the capital of Norway. I am now standing in a very nice 349 Chanel sailboat, and the customer talked about having lost the shower hose. So let's check it out. Well, it's definitely missing. So the shower head is supposed to be right here. And what we usually do is that we take it off before winter time so it doesn't freeze. But now the head is obviously gone and the hose fell back. So I need to get the hose first. So there is no way I can get to it from here, so I need to go inside and see if I can find the hose in one of the back rooms. So let's do it. It's just so important to hydrate. Not used to this heat, you know. Oh no. I've checked all the panels here now and everything, and it doesn't look like there's anywhere I can get to that part of the boat to get the hose from here.
So that means that I have to figure something out. So I unscrewed all the screws here, and I was not expecting to be able to loosen this actually, so I started on the speaker, but then I thought, okay, I can just give it a shot. And then now, I don't know, but I think I'm able to sort of remove this one. So now it only depends on how tight are the hoses on the back end of this lid. Well, this doesn't look too bad actually. I was expecting the hoses here to be too tight so that I wouldn't be able to remove this at all, but it's a little bit easier than I thought, and that's very good. So now it's just all about sticking my arm in here and hopefully I can get the hose, but I don't know, it's far down there. Yeah, that may be the problem. The hole is not sort of big enough for me to get far down. So I'm gonna use the video function on my phone and stick it in here and see if I can see anything. I think I saw it. I don't know about you guys. It's just no way I can get all the way down there just using my hand. It's just too far. Do I have anything I can use? I don't know. Wait a second. But I'm pretty sure the hose is just gonna slip out of here. But yeah, of course, I won't be able to get this inside the hole. That's better. All right, I think I actually got it. More duct tape was the trick. Let me see here. Yes. Perfect. So then it's all about sticking it through the hole here. Alright, it's all sealed and the shower head is in place. All done.
Alright, I'm back in Drøbak now. I got a few things I need to get done, but first, let's go on a boat trip. Okay, let's go. Let's go. arrived perfect. You know, everything is good, so we can deliver the boat to the customer. You know, it's always good to have an excuse to go out there. Alright, my next job now is to change the propeller on this sailboat right here. And Sondre is just about to lift it, so let's do it. So I was supposed to film taking the old propeller off and then putting the new one back on, but then Dennis came and we started talking and I was working while I was talking and then I just forgot the whole thing. But you know, it was a good talk, Dennis, if you're watching, so thank you for that. But I was not focusing on YouTube. So this is the new one. This is a folding propeller. Right here you have the old one, a fixed propeller. And what you want is a propeller that can fold while you're sailing along. So it's not like this, spinning around in the water all the time. Now it folds and it's much more streamlined. So this is what you want. Alright, it's getting late now and I'm sitting here working on a bilge pump. I wish I never started. It's Friday night and you know, my arm is just looking like this. I don't know if you can see it, but it's just all bruised from sticking my hand in here in order to mount this pump. And it's all manual and I took it apart and I was supposed to film, but this is apparently the episode where I don't really film what I do at all. I just didn't bring the camera. Instead of filming this, you know, it's really no point because you're not going to see anything at all. So we can just end the episode right here. I'm so grateful for having you guys following this channel. You know, leave a comment if you have something you want to say, and I will see you next time for more mechanics and whatever here on the docks of Norway. All right.